Hi, this is Inday Missy, and welcome to the part 1 of Bisaya phrases for daily conversation. In this video, I'm going to teach you the Bisaya translation and pronunciation of certain English phrases that you would use when you want to start a conversation with someone. So first, we'll start off with hi or hello. In Bisaya, you would still be using the same hi and hello. So there are 3 ways to say how are you in Bisaya. First is kumusta ka, which is the proper way to say how are you. Second is kumusta, which is the colloquial. And third is musta, which is the shortened version of the colloquial kumusta. Kumusta ka. Kumusta ka. Kumusta ka. Kumusta ka. Kumusta ka. The stress is on the second to the last syllable of the word kumusta, which is mus. So that's kumusta ka, kumusta ka. I'm good, thank you. In Bisaya, maayo man, salamat. Maayo means good, salamat means thank you. Man, it is a Bisaya expression that always follows maayo but doesn't carry any meaning. You can also leave out man and say maayo salamat instead. Ma-a-yo man sa-la-mat. Maayo man salamat. Maayo man salamat. The stress in the word maayo is a, and in salamat is la. Maayo man salamat. Another way to answer the question kumusta ka is I'm okay. In Bisaya, okay lang. You'll hear this answer more often than maayo man. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. And you? In Bisaya, ikaw. And is ug in Bisaya, and you is ikaw. You have the option to leave out ug or include ug when you ask the question. I'm good too. In Bisaya, maayo pud. Good in Bisaya is maayo and too is pud. Ma-a-yo pud. Maayo pud. Ma-a-yo pud. Maayo pud. I'm okay too. In Bisaya, okay lang pud. 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 Here's a sample conversation for proper and colloquial between Lucky and Rowena. Proper. Hello, kumusta ka? Maayo man, salamat. Ikaw, kumusta ka? Maayo pod. Colloquial. Hi, kumusta? Okay lang. Ikaw? Okay lang po. So that's it for part 1. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment them below. And please check out my next video for part 2 of this series. Bye now.